All right, so we're doing a grip shift grip swap. Grip spot? That's a mouthful. So you're gonna want to get some zip ties, 91% isopropyl alcohol, and say like you're replacing a used grip shift with another used grip, a grip shift with a used grip shift, and the grips don't match your original one in this case. So what you're gonna do is slide zip ties into the grip shift. In between, there's like a little plastic, the plastic shell, and then the grip. Just putting these zip ties in. So got 3, keep adding them until it you start with 4 because it's like even, so just go like across from each other. So we got the 4 zip ties in, and then you're gonna pour 91% isopropyl alcohol down the zip ties. And if it's really stubborn, you can take an opening tool or a flathead screwdriver and go in between the plastic and the grip. It's like that. And then take a needle nose pliers, go where one of the zip ties is, and pull. And just like that, we got the grip off, and then you can swap out the matching grip so that you have matching grip shifts like this. It should be a direct replacement for this old one, or this other one. So we're putting this so it matches this one on the replacement grip shift, which is right here. So I'm gonna add some rubbing alcohol to this, like so, and then this should just slide on like that. So sweet, we did a grip shift grip swap, and looks good. And I hope this helped.